Hey guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code quickly and easily. If you've come across an Instagram QR code and want to scan it to visit a profile, I'll walk you through the simple step using both the Instagram app and your phone gallery. In this example, I'll use my own QR code on Instagram, and to do that, click the Share Profile button. And now, make sure to save this QR code. You can either take a screenshot or download it to your gallery. So to do that, click the download button and click on the QR code and save it to your gallery. Now from the screenshot, what you're going to do is to long press the QR code, and as you can see, you have the option to open it in the Instagram. So click on that. And that's how you scan an Instagram QR code. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.